This video tutorial I will cover subtract from method of duration class which accept temporal. Here I have defined the class duration demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created duration object. Duration is 5 days, which is equivalent to 120 hours. Then I have created local date time object. Then I am calling subtract from method of duration object and passing local date time. This method subtract 5 days from local date time and returns temporal object. And here you can see the output. Before that day was 23. 5 days is subtracted from local date time. So here we got 18. 5 days are subtracted.